Hello guys, Alex here today with you. As usual, on Wednesdays we have ScandiPWA weekly community session with agencies, and here's the agenda for today's session. We have several topics to cover, and first I'm going to talk about why agencies are choosing ScandiPWA. I have top 3 reasons why agencies are choosing ScandiPWA, how you as an agency can leverage the solution, and basically, I'm going to elaborate on the benefits that ScandiPWA is providing and why you have to choose ScandiPWA and why agencies are actually choosing ScandiPWA rather than other PWA solutions that are available out there. Then we're going to talk about one very interesting online event, the virtual Magento Meetup. It is going to happen on May 2nd of May. And lately, I'm going to remind about the latest release. The ScandiPWA 2.12 version is out there. So let's move on with our first and main topic for today. Why agencies choose ScandiPWA and how ScandiPWA actually helps you in your business to service your customers' PWA demand. So let's start with our reason number one, the local installation. So in ScandiPWA we made this really easy for you to start using ScandiPWA. Usually when you are working with new tools or new stack, the local development setup takes long, and time is crucial for every business, for every agencies and developers. And here at ScandiPWA, we got you covered. We provide a containerized environment, and thus we're simplifying the installation process. All required services like Magento, ScandiPWA theme itself, and instant build with Webpack are already provided in a containerized environment. Thus, it's really convenient for you to set up the theme and start building your project, start exploring the ScandiPWA theme. When following our detailed tutorials, it only takes from 15 minutes to 1 hour to install the theme locally. If you follow our tutorials that are available on ScandiPWA YouTube channel, and you will find a link to these videos in the description section. Below, we have videos for both local installation and installing ScandiPWA theme on top of existing Magento server. So when following our detailed video tutorials, it takes up to 1 hour, so you can install the theme and start working with your PWA store. And for example, if you are checking the local installation video, I believe it only takes 25 minutes from the very beginning, where you download ScandiPWA files till your ScandiPWA site is launched and running. And what you get the same environment as on the cloud. So your developers will appreciate working on predictable and consistent environment, as it saves time and makes the teamwork much easier. So once you install the theme locally and you understand how it works, also we have a detailed documentation that explains all the steps and explains the theme, the architecture of the theme. So once you understand the theme, the same environment will also be available on cloud, and this is great. So our second reason why how ScandiPWA helps you and why agencies choose ScandiPWA is the external infrastructure that we have. So we have already and configured infrastructure to run ScandiPWA, Magento, and all related services. So we have ScandiPWA Cloud that is ready to use, that is configured and available for you. If you claim your ScandiPWA store, it only takes up to 10 minutes, and you have everything running, reinstalled, configured, and optimized out of the box. And these external infrastructure is ready and configured to run ScandiPWA. Magento, all related services are included there, and also server-side rendering for search engine bots is there. So everything you need is available out there. You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about any installations. You can leverage this configured setup straight away, and also you can benefit from automatic database backups, have access to log management and data visualization with Kibana, performance management with Grafana. So all tools that you can benefit from are already included there out of the box. And also we have real-time adaptation to the infrastructure to a user's needs. It means that you only use the required amount of resources that is required at the particular moment, and with a possibility to scale your resources you are using. And for example, during night time, when there is no load to your servers, when there is no traffic, the amount of used resources is limited to minimum. And when you have traffic again, when there's a load in your servers again and you need additional resources, the infrastructure is automatically scaled to the optimal resources that you require, with an extra safety amount, so you can cover any random spikes. So everything is there available to you in ScandiPWA Cloud solution, and we are moving forward to the third reason is deployment of your own code. So yes, you have downloaded ScandiPWA, install it locally and explore the solution. It looks great. Yes, you have benefited from ScandiPWA Cloud, you have access, you can customize and do any basic customizations with your store. It's up and running and available 24 hours, 24/7. And what about customizations and deploying your code? Since you're an agency and you have your customers' requirements, you want to customize the store, you want to deploy your own code. So it is possible to connect a GitHub repository to existing instance, and we provide you with full source code of ScandiPWA and Magento for your customizations. As mentioned previously, we provide a consistent and predictable environment for developers. So same environment that you have locally will be on cloud. So you can do any customizations you want locally, test everything, cooperate as a team, and then deploy your code. Everything will work out of the box without the need to think about some additional changes. Build and deploy scripts with a zero downtime are already provided out of the box. So this is something you can really leverage here, is that we thought about developers, about agencies, and everything is optimized and up there. All you have to do is just simply take this solution and start building your sites on top of it. And we are ready to move to our second topic for today, the virtual Magento Meetup. So here you can see this meetup.com site. The link to the event is also available in the description section below, so make sure to jump and sign up in case you're available on 2nd of May. So here's the description. The event will be held on Saturday, the 2nd of May, hosted by Vikram Shukla, and this is part of the Virtual Magento Meetup series, and these are the main topics that will be discussed during the session. First, you'll see how to get Magento certified, presented by Joseph Maxwell. Then there will be automation testing in Magento using MFTF, explained by Saurabh Sharma. And lately, and why I'm really excited to present this session, is there will be an introduction to ScandiPWA by Jayanka Ghosh from Cautelar Agency. And I'm really excited to see that not only ScandiPWA team is presenting the ScandiPWA open source project, of the open source solution, but also partner agencies, the community, ScandiPWA community, is spreading the word about the open source solution. And if you do have a chance, make sure to sign up, join this event, and check the presentation, the introduction to ScandiPWA presented by partner agency. This is going to be really exciting session. And in case you don't have a chance to join it online, then I'm sure that the video will be available after the event. So follow our social media channels, and you will be able to see the link to the recording, so you can check it out later. And we are ready to move to our last topic for today, which is the latest release, ScandiPWA 2.12.0. As I know, some of you guys missed our latest update, our latest release. So here's a reminder that last week we had our development team introduced a new latest version of ScandiPWA, the 2.12 version. And here on our Medium page, you can find detailed release notes and feature description for every release, and also for the latest. So either on the main page or in the section called PWA for e-commerce, you can find the dedicated post covering the latest release with all the features, all the new features that are introduced, as well as some visual examples. The link is also available in the description section below. Make sure to jump and read about this release. And this is it for today. Thank you for watching this session. In case you have any questions, make sure to write me an email, send your questions, or post your questions directly to the comment section. Thank you for joining this session, and see you next time. Bye.